Welcome to Mr. Israel channel. Today we're going to learn how to change capital letter in Excel to small letter and small letter to capital letter. Yes, I think every accountant need an Excel skills here. Now we're going to dive into it. Now, if you watch here, the revenue bar here, you find out that this column here is in capital letter and this column here is in small letter. Now we're going to take a simple step on how to change this small letter into capital letter. So the first thing you do, you insert a new column here. Once you do that, then the next thing you do is to put equals to. We are changing this to capital letter. Equals to, then you put upper, then you put it in brackets, then you click here, you close the brackets, then you press enter. Now it has changed it to capital letter. Now you cannot continue doing this same thing every of the of the, of the words here. It's going to take much time. So what you do, you click here. This drop down box, once you show a cross sign, you double click it, then everything will pop out. Or better still, you drag it down. Once you drag it down, everything will come out. But I think the fastest way is for you to double click it and everything come out. Now, it does not end here. If you take here, you find that I will have formulas. Formulas here. You find that I will have formulas here. Sorry, something just popped up here. You find that I will have formulas here. Now we're going to copy this. Copy. I will come here. We'll paste it without formula. You click your value. Once you paste with this, it's going to paste it with formula. But we don't need with formula. You paste without formula, that is the value. You click it. You find that here now we have our capital letter here without formula. Then here we have with formula. So you delete this. You have successfully changed all this to capital letter. Now for us to change it to small letter, you follow the same step. First of all, you open what? A column. You insert a column where you are going to make your calculation. I call it calculation. You insert a column. You press equals to. Then you type lower. In Excel, Excel use upper and lower. Upper and lower, not capital letter and small letter. They use upper and lower. Then you put it the bar in brackets. Then you close it. Then you press enter. That's changed to small letter. Then you cannot keep doing it all over again. What you do, you either scroll down, like I said earlier, or you double click here. So everything for all here I've changed now to small letter, but they are with formula. What you do, you copy it. Then you come here, you paste it without formula. Then you use the one with value. Then once you have this without formula, then you have this with formula, you delete this. Now you have your small letter. I believe this video helps you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video from Mr. Israel. Thank you very much and God bless you.